The immigration experts will provide reliable information weekly on U.S. immigration laws and how it affects individuals who wish to pursue the great American dream. The immigration experts from Reeves Associates, or R&A, know very well that the pursuit of the American dream can be very challenging and fraught with many hidden dangers. The partners believe that if aliens are provided reliable immigration information, they will be able to avoid the consequences of self-representation or being poorly represented. The Immigration Experts program was produced to serve as a medium through which the partners of Reeves Associates could share their extensive expertise and knowledge of U.S. immigration laws and procedures. R&A believes that the show will help the viewers make informed decisions about their immigration situations and help them avoid the many pitfalls that could destroy their American dreams. Each week, one partner, who is an immigration expert, will delve into various immigration topics, such as family and employment-based petitions, deportation defense, waivers, investors and visitors visas, among others. Troy Montero, a well-known Filipino-American celebrity, will ask the experts probing questions in order to help the viewers navigate the complex maze of U.S. immigration laws. Carlos Espiritu has been out of status for almost 3 years. He found a lawyer who advised him that he can apply for labor certification. Upon the approval of the labor certification, a visa petition and an I-140 application for permanent resident status were filed. The I-140 petition was denied. No decision on the permanent resident status was issued. After the I-140 denial, a notice to appear, or NTA, in deportation court was issued. Advised by the same attorney, he was told to disregard the NTA and was informed that as long as there is something filed under his name, he is safe and is not considered out of status. The day came when DHS authorities found him and immediately placed him into detention. He is now about to fly back to his home country without anything left in his pocket.
One of the most frightening moments in an immigrant's life is the prospect of being removed from the United States and being separated from one's loved ones and family members.
It's bad enough to be ordered deported when you know about the hearing. It's even worse when you believe you're about to receive your green card, only to find out that you're no longer eligible because of an existing deportation order. This could be caused by several different circumstances. So stick around as attorney Jeremiah Johnson, a partner at Reeves Associates, share with us some examples of how Reeves Associates' commitment to helping people and their families cope when faced with this dilemma of deportation hearings.
Okay, so to start, what is deportation?
Well, deportation is the process of removing a non-U.S. citizen, an alien, or an immigrant from the United States.
Attorney Jeremiah Johnson is the managing attorney of Reeves Associates' San Francisco office. Mr. Johnson joined R&A early in 2005 and became a partner of the firm in 2008. Prior to joining R&A, he served as an immigration attorney for 2 years. Mr. Johnson is a contributing writer to R&A's internationally recognized immigration column and lectures on various immigration topics. Mr. Johnson has broad experience representing hundreds of clients in matters before the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services, or USCIS, the Immigration Courts, Board of Immigration Appeals, and the federal courts. Specifically, he has extensive experience in reuniting families through family-based immigration, consular processing, naturalization, non-immigrant and immigrant visas obtained through employment. In addition, Mr. Johnson also represents clients in the federal courts to compel USCIS to adjudicate cases that have been unreasonably delayed or cases that have been wrongfully denied. Throughout his career, Mr. Johnson has tirelessly pursued justice on behalf of others. In addition to his role as an immigration attorney, he has been active with the International Rescue Committee, the Center for Law and Global Justice in Cambodia, the United Nations Commission on the Status of Women, the United Nations Commission on Sustainable Development, and the United Nations Committee on the Elimination of Racial Discrimination. Jeremiah Johnson obtained his bachelor degree from Randolph-Macon College in 1996. He graduated from the University of San Francisco School of Law in 2003 and has been practicing immigration law since graduation. He was admitted to the California State Bar in 2003. He is also admitted to the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Ninth Circuit, U.S. Court of Appeals for the Fourth Circuit, U.S. District Court for the Northern District of California, and U.S. District Court for the Central District of California. He is a member of the American Immigration Lawyers Association, the National Immigration Project of the National Lawyers Guild, and serves on the Board of Directors for Human Rights Advocates. Mr. Johnson also serves as a pro bono asylum mentor for the Lawyers Committee for Civil Rights.
We have a lot of experience here at Reeves Associates. Our firm's been around since 1980. We have attorneys here that practice exclusively in immigration law. Some of our attorneys are ex-employees of the State Department, Immigration Service, even the immigration courts. And many of our attorneys practice exclusively in deportation cases.